Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Viki. We go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Viki and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and you are watching.